Now coming to the word problem, which will be an application for these three criteria: AA criteria, SSS criteria, SAS criteria of similarity. You have to check whether by any criteria you can prove two triangles similar and can use their property to find some unknown value. Here in this word question, you can see what it is saying. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of the lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. For your sake of simplicity, I have taken this image, but in exam, it will not be given to you. Only a word question will be given. You should be able to imagine what's happening in your word question. So here, if we imagine there is a lamppost whose height is given as 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. Height is given. This height, right? And one girl is moving away from the base of the lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. You can see the speed is in meters per second. Speed is in meter per second. What is given as given? Always you should write the given. So the height of lamppost is 90 centimeter. Speed is in 1.2 meter per second. Here, as it is in meter per second, that means we have to convert all the things in meters, all the lengths in meters. Here 90 centimeter will be 0.9 meter. You know how to convert centimeter into meter. Just divide the given centimeter by 100. You will get the meter. Now, if the lamppost is 1.6 meter above the ground, sorry, this height h is given is of height of girl. It is of girl. So this height will be of your girl. This height, girl's height will be 90 centimeter. That is 0.9 meter. So I'll take small h for girl's height and capital H for the height of lamppost. Okay. What is the capital H? That is height of the lamppost. That is 3.6 meter. And we have to find the length of her shadow of our that girl which is moving. Here you can observe, if a girl start moving, her shadow will be to the front side of the girl. Okay, let's suppose if the ray of light is coming in this way, so the shadow will be of length DE. From figure you can observe, we have imagined it, we have drawn the figure to understand what's happening and what we have to find. Let's suppose this length D is of length X. That is the length of shadow. If I find this X, I'll get the height or the length of the shadow of that girl after 4 seconds only, because height of the girl will depend on at how much distance she is standing away from the lamppost. Just a physics question. For example, there is a lamp, its rays are coming. If one person is Khushi is there, if she is at this distance X, so her shadow will be of this length, right? And if Khushi moved at this place, you can see her shadow will be of this length. Here you can observe, as Khushi is moving away from the lamppost, her shadow is also increasing. That is, the length of the shadow is increasing. So the length of shadow will always depend on the position of that person who is standing near the lamppost. Okay. That's why this distance DE is very important. So we have to find DB, and this will be a distance of that girl after 4 seconds, because she is moving from base toward in this case right hand side. So for the sake of simplicity, let's draw the triangle to understand it mathematically. So this a triangle is there, A, B, D, E, C. Bull. Here, for the sake of simplicity, this triangle we have drawn. AB is of length. Okay. In triangle ABE and CDE, we have written all these measures that is given. Now, always take any vertical lamp post, building, anything. If it is standing, it is making angle of 90° with the base. Also, person is also making 90° with the base. It will be by default. Okay. Now, in triangle, from figure, just write from figure. In exam, you can directly draw this figure. This is only for a visual representation what's happening. In figure, angle B will be equals to angle D, 90°. Right? Now, let's, as these measures are given. Okay. Now here you can also observe. Just write in figure, in triangle ABE and triangle CDE. Here this angle is same and angle E is also same in both these two triangles. Here angle E, getting it? So angle E equals to angle D, common angle. Now by using A8 criteria, as I have said just now, if two angles are congruent for any two triangles, then we can directly write those two triangles will be similar by A criteria, or you can directly write AA criteria. Okay. Now, as we know, if two triangles are similar, that means their sides will be in proportion. So what we can write, AB upon CD. AB upon CD equals to BE upon DE. BE upon DE equals to AE upon C. AE upon C. Now here, these two sides, this is given. So we can directly write AB upon CD. AB upon CD as 3.6 upon 0.9. This we have to find. So we'll take D's. Where D? Here D. So I'll put D as X. Right? We can take any pair. So we have taken these two pair. Okay. These two things. Now B is missing. If I am able to find BE, I'll get the answer directly. That is the value of X. That is the length of the shadow of that girl. How to find D? D will be equals to BD plus DE. So let's write from figure. B is equals to BD plus X, that is DE upon X, which is equals to 36 upon 9, as decimal point is after one digit. 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36. So X will be multiplied here. What I will get, 4X equals to BD plus X. Shift my X to again left hand side. What I will get, 4X minus X equals to BD. So 3X will be equals to BD and X will be equals to BD upon 3. Now, can I find BD? If I find the BD, I'll directly get the value of x, that is length of shadow. How to find BD? As we know that girl is moving at the speed of 1.2 meter per second away from the base of that lamppost. If we know the speed and time is also given as 4 seconds. So let's write here time as 4 seconds. If the speed and time is given, we can easily find speed is 1.2 meter per second, right? And time is given at 4 seconds. We know that speed is equals to distance upon time. So therefore distance will be equals to speed into time. What is the value of speed? 1.2 into what is the time? 4. What I will get? 4.8 meter. That is, this girl will be at 4.8 meter away from the base after 4 seconds. So this distance will be 4.8 meter. Getting it? Now just put the value of BD. So what will be? BD is 4.8 upon 3. So the answer will be x equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 18. That is 1.9 meter. Okay. As you can observe, the height of the girl is 0.9 meter, but her height is 1.9 meter because she is away from the lamp post. As she move away from the lamp, again this length of shadow will increase. Okay, this we have seen in physics chapter. Okay, in light you might have seen this. This is as of now. We in this session, let's quickly summarize what we have seen. We have seen different type of criteria to prove or to check whether the two triangles are similar or not, and this criteria can be used to solve some of the examples. We have seen these examples 1 and 2 where we have applied these three criteria, and the fourth one was our theory question. So it will be, this theory type of questions will be very important. Now in next session we are going to solve exercise 6.3. Till then try to solve 6.3 depending on this knowledge, and if you are facing any doubt or any difficulties, you can directly go to my come to my videos and see the solution. So let's meet in next session. Till then, work hard. Thank you.